Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to install the OEM front license plate mount on a 2020 Chevrolet Bolt. And this should be the same procedure for a 2017 through 2021, maybe even other GM vehicles, but the part numbers will be different. Essentially, you drill 4 holes into the front bumper, then rivet the bracket onto the bumper, and then you screw your license plate on. And here you can see the final product before I put on my license plate. So you're going to need GM part number 954-29704. This appears to be available from most GM dealers for around $30 to $40. I had bought this vehicle from a dealer in a state that did not require a front license plate, and so they didn't install it for me. If you buy it from a dealer in a state where they require the front license plate, they should install it for you, but here I am. The official part includes the screws and rivets. I have found knockoffs on eBay for around $20 to $30, and those probably work fine too. The tools you'll need are a power drill, a 5mm drill bit. Now this is a 7/32 inch drill bit, and that works as well, but officially you need a 5mm bit, and a rivet gun. And there are power guns available, but this manual one was $5 at Harbor Freight. The link is in the description. And there are also some others available on Amazon for around $10. But make sure you get one that has a nose piece that is 3/16 inch, as that's the size the OEM part comes with. So the first thing is to drill the 4 mounting holes, and the bracket can only go in one way and in one place, and that's right in the center of the front bumper. So go and put the bracket in place, and then you can see where the 4 holes are to be drilled, and so get drilling. And once you have your first hole in place, you can insert a rivet and use it to hold up the bracket so you can drill the other holes. Alright, so now we have all 4 holes drilled, and now we need to rivet the bracket in place. So you're going to make sure that the rivets are all inserted and completely flush with the bracket, like this. And so you're going to want to insert your rivet gun onto the spike and compress the handle towards the car. Be sure not to pull the rivets out from the bracket, and you're just going to go ahead and keep pressing over and over, and the gun will eventually pop, and that cuts off the spike from the rivet like this. And once you do that with all 4 rivets, you're pretty much done. All that's left to do is to use the included Phillips head screws and your drill and screw on your license plate. And so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.